Hi everyone, Adarsh here. So, in the earlier this is a continuation series of stream JDK8 streams, where in the earlier video we have discussed about different type of streams. Like we have a parallel stream, sequential stream, and what are the package hierarchy of the streams. Like it's in Java8.util.stream package, where we have a base stream, and out of base stream we have a stream, IntStream LongStream and DoubleStream. And we have seen how we can get the streams out of array, out of list, out of set, and out of map, and what are the modifications done in the collection interface in JDK8. So that's why we can get the stream, sequential streams and parallel streams. So in this video in this session we're gonna discuss about off method. So basically this off method is something where we can get the stream by passing a number of elements, and we can get the IntStream, LongStream, and double streams, and normal generic stream also. So let's jump into the code first. So here you can see that I'm having a array of strings where I'm having a different 3 elements in the string, and what I have done, I have just said stream of array. So I'll get the stream out of this array, and I am doing for each operation on that. So this is something which is a traditional approach of doing that. Then we can just optimize it little bit by using anonymous array, but from the JDK8 we can directly define this is something this feature is something which is there in JDK 1.5 itself. So where we will define the array with the ellipse 3 dot and data type, that is where argument. So that is what the implementation is. So if I just, so what we have done, we have just get the generic stream out of this. You can see that we have sent stream of, and this is as of now we have a string, but we can give any data type here, including int, long, string, int long, or double, float, whatever we want. So if I just execute this piece of code, so you can see that I got the 3-time result because I'm getting 3 times streams out of that. So result will be same, there is no difference, but the way of writing the code will matters. Then we move to the int stream. So what we have done, we have defined a int array, primitive array, and we are getting a int stream out of this array. So for that, we in the int stream we have, in the IntStream interface we have of method, from where we can pass the array or number of elements, and we can get the stream, and we can iterate on that by using for each method. So we optimize it little bit, and by using anonymous array, but because of where argument we can define like this also. So that's how we can get the integer streams directly from the int elements. So if I just execute this piece of code, there will not be any difference, major difference. You can see that all the outputs are same. So let's move to the long stream, where we have defined a long So what we have done, we have defined a long array here, and from the long array we are getting the stream by using LongStream dot off method, and on that stream we are doing for each. So we are doing iteration on that. So here same thing, we have optimized little bit by using anonymous array, but in the next section we have just directly we are passing the long elements, because due to where our variable arguments which is introduced in JDK 1.5. So we can just define the array like this. It will automatically understand that this is a long elements, and which need to convert it into n length array. So that's what, if I just execute this piece of code, the output will be the same, there is no difference in the output. So here you can see. In the next section we're gonna discuss about a double stream. So what we have done, we have defined a double array here. In the double array, we are just saying the double stream dot off method. So what it does, it's gonna get the stream of this double array, and on that stream we are doing for each, means iteration we are doing, and we are just printing the value. So same thing, we have just optimized it with the anonymous array here, but here directly we have passed the elements because of variable argument, and this will automatically convert it into the double array internally, and then out of this double array, stream will be taken up by double stream dot off method, and then we are doing for each iteration by using for each method, and then we are printing the each and every element of the stream by using SOP method. So if I just execute this piece of code, there is no difference in the output, here you can see. So that's how we can use off method, which is present in stream, IntStream LongStream and DoubleStream interface. So this is it for this video, and I'm gonna discuss something else in something new and interesting in my next stream video. So please do subscribe my channel, share your thoughts and comments, and till then take care, bye.